The life of Hazrat Umar. Early life. Born in 582–583 CE in Mecca to the Banu Adi clan, known for arbitration. Father: Khattab ibn Nufail. Mother: Hantama bint Hisham, from Banu Makhzum. Learned to read and write in youth, despite literacy being uncommon. Developed a love for poetry and literature. Was a merchant but unsuccessful. Made journeys to Rome. Early opposition to Islam. Initially opposed Muhammad, his distant Qurayshite kinsman and later son-in-law. Threatened to kill Muhammad. Recommended his death. Saw Islam as a cause of division and discord. Conversion to Islam. Converted in 616, 1 year after the migration to Abyssinia. Converted after a conversation with his friend Nu'aym ibn Abdullah. Found his sister and brother-in-law reciting the Quran. Slapped his sister, then calmed down and asked to hear the verses. Wept and declared his faith. Life in Medina. Migrated to Medina in 622 Shah during the day, saying, "Anyone who wants to make his wife a widow and his children orphans should come and meet me." Participated in key battles, including Badr, Uhud, the Battle of the Trench, and the Battle of Banu Qurayza. Witnessed the Treaty of Hudaybiyah and fought in the Battle of Khaybar. Was part of the Muslim army that contested the Battle of Tabuk. Death of Muhammad. Initially disbelieved Muhammad's death, promised to strike the head of anyone who said he had died. Eventually accepted Muhammad's death after Abu Bakr's speech. Foundation of the Caliphate. Umar's political capacity first manifested as the architect of the Caliphate after Muhammad's death. Helped establish Abu Bakr as the first caliph, despite initial opposition from the Ansar. Caliphate. Ruled as the second caliph, from August 634 to 644 CE. Expanded the Caliphate at an unprecedented rate, conquering the Sasanian Empire and 2/3 of the Byzantine Empire. Assassinated by the Persian slave Abu Lu'lu'a Firuz in 644 CE. Legacy. Revered in Sunni Islamic tradition as a great just ruler and paragon of Islamic virtues. Some hadiths identify him as the second greatest of the Sahaba after Abu Bakr. Viewed negatively in Twelver Shia tradition.